was always in something. Why won't you hold me?
What's up, YouTube? Hey man, today we having a little Wendy's mukbang with my sister. She don't be in the camera because she look good to herself. No, she don't be in the camera right now. She just don't be in the camera. But we found this is gonna be a little talk and a little mukbang. So I'll probably be pranking my sisters and my mom, my other sisters, my youngest sisters, and my mom. My mom don't be showing a lot of emotions, so I don't know how she gonna react. I already know how they gonna react, especially my second to youngest, second to youngest. I mean, something like that. Yeah, the 12-year-old. Yeah, she gonna act more over dramatic than the youngest. They ain't giving me no screen. But yeah. So the plan is, well, the prank is, I got kidnapped. This is gonna be funny, but
He's going in the trunk, y'all. He's going in the trunk.
Going in the trunk, and my sister got a Camaro, and you know them Camaro trunks are small, but I'm skinny, so
He can go in there.
Yeah, it shouldn't even be that bad, but I don't know how it's going. I wish I had a camera so I can like do one of them
You need a camera in the house.
them things. What them things called? Like them numbers where you can call and I'll be like, oh, I found one.
Cut it off. Cut it.
Like, I'm gonna cut it off. What?
This ain't gonna work.
What? What ain't gonna work?
If I can't be recording them from my phone, they gonna know something up. You need a camera in the house in order to do something like this. You need that bitch already set up in the house and look. Cause you need to see their reaction off my initial phone call.
No, but like you can like hold your phone and then like dang, but if
But my mind gonna fall for it. Sam. Mama got street sense. She ain't no damn dummy.
my mom, she'll be okay. Where's the phone? I'm like, where's the phone and stuff? Dang, y'all don't think we can do this today?
Oh, look, we're gonna do this better. This is the one. This is the one that you. It's a big one here. That's why I said
A big one. Like a big prank, man. Yeah.
But it gotta be well thought out. Like, you can't just be in the trunk for a couple minutes. I need you.
No, I'm not gonna be in the trunk until they start like tripping shit.
Well, you definitely need, you need a camera in that house to see them. You need to be able to go back and forth between the footage.
Yeah.
That's some epic shit, though.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna think this plan out more until I need at least another phone, at least camera or something like that, or some like other source to record on, so we can do this and do it properly. So I don't think we're gonna do it today. We're not gonna do it today, but at least I get a little mukbang. Damn fries, huh? And, man, it's not gonna be a little. That's all I wanted to really tell y'all. I don't know what to talk to y'all about. Y'all staying safe. That's all I can tell y'all. Ain't nothing. I don't know. Cool.
Is everybody social distancing?
Yeah. Staying apart. We don't need y'all. Now look. Let me tell you something. Y'all out here cheating and stuff. Catch that running. Karma real. Cheating, you gonna catch the running. I'm gonna catch them wrong, cheating. I'm gonna say no name, but you're on the real, man. Relax. Dang. I might drop a good video tomorrow with my sisters. Cause they wanna play this smack or facts with the powder and stuff.
Yeah, you need some powder.
No, I got some powder. I bought some powder. Like I was been through. Baby powder.
I was definitely gonna sit up and make a dishes. Actually, I'm gonna go well with them. This nigga's gonna start crying as soon as they get slapped.
What? No mercy.
What wrong?
Potatoes stuff. Oh.
This is how you do this right here.
Yeah. I hope y'all can hear us or hear me because the AC blowing. You should get your paper. Yeah, man. I just want to. Well, I did want to tell y'all this prank, but it ain't gonna be a prank no more. But I ain't want to have a wasted video, so just gonna keep this. No, man. I see y'all niggas video. I don't want to post y'all, because I'm finna be posting like. I'm already finna post another video, so it's a little mukbang. But no, if you're new, like, share, subscribe. You should be new because I only got like 40 subscribers. Subscribe. Come on, man. Hit the bell too. Cause my views be higher than my subscribers. I don't like that. I do not appreciate that. You need to hit just subscribe. Come on, man. Please. If y'all subscribe, I won't take your girl. I won't. I promise. Just subscribe. No, man, for real, I'm thinking up by him, man. I'm tired of talking to y'all. No, I'm not tired of talking to y'all. Y'all probably tired of me talking to y'all. I see that.